Today I am reviewing the XPG GAMMIX S70 Blade PCIe Gen 4 SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're building a high-performance gaming PC, upgrading a laptop, or even looking to boost storage on a console like the PS5, the XPG GAMMIX S70 Blade PCIe Gen 4 SSD is one of those drives that immediately stands out. This is not just a standard solid-state drive. It's designed for extreme speed, reliability, and next-generation performance. Let's start with the biggest highlight: speed. The XPG GAMMIX S70 Blade delivers read speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 6,800 megabytes per second. To put that into perspective, this is PCIe Gen 4 performance, which is nearly at the top tier of consumer SSD technology. In real-world usage, this means lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and extremely quick file transfers. Whether you're launching massive AAA games or working with large video editing files, everything feels immediate and smooth. For gamers, this SSD is a serious upgrade. Load screens are drastically reduced, and in some cases, almost eliminated. Open-world games that normally take time to stream assets load environments much faster, resulting in a smoother gameplay experience overall. If you're someone who plays modern titles on PC or even expand your PS5 storage, this drive is built for exactly the kind of demand. Creators will also benefit heavily from this level of performance. Video editors working with 4K or even higher resolution footage will notice faster timeline scrubbing, quicker exports, and reduced lag when working with large projects. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't just improve numbers on paper, it genuinely speeds up your entire workflow. Now let's talk about build quality and thermal management. One of the standout features of the GAMMIX S70 Blade is its aluminum heatsink. This isn't just for looks. It plays a very important role in keeping temperatures under control during heavy workloads. High-speed NVMe drives can get hot when pushed, but the heatsink helps dissipate heat efficiently, maintaining stable performance even during long gaming sessions or intensive file transfers. This also helps protect the drive from thermal throttling, which means you consistently get maximum speed when you need it most. Another important feature is data protection. The drive includes end-to-end data protection, which ensures your files are transferred accurately and safely. Combined with SLC caching technology and a powerful controller, the SSD is designed not just for speed, but also for stability and reliability over time. This is important if you're storing sensitive work files, game data, or large media projects. Compatibility is also a strong point here. The XPG GAMMIX S70 Blade is designed for a wide range of systems including desktops, laptops, and gaming consoles like the PS5. That versatility makes it a very attractive option for users who want one high-performance drive that can be used across different setups. Whether you're upgrading your PC storage or expanding your console's capacity, this SSD fits right in. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with M.2 NVMe drives. It uses the standard M.2 2280 form factor, so it slots directly into compatible motherboards and systems. Once installed, it is immediately recognized by most modern operating systems, making setup quick and hassle-free. In terms of real-world experience, what you notice most is consistency. This isn't just a drive that performs well in benchmarks. It performs well in daily use. Everything feels faster: system startup, application launches, game loading, and file transfers. It removes a lot of the waiting time that slows down productivity and gaming enjoyment. It's also worth mentioning the brand behind it. XPG, part of Adata, is well known in the storage space for focusing on performance-oriented hardware. They've built a reputation around high-speed memory and storage solutions, and this SSD fits perfectly into that lineup. Of course, this is a Gen 4 SSD, so to fully unlock its maximum speeds, you'll need a compatible motherboard or system that supports PCIe Gen 4. On older systems, it will still work, but at reduced speeds depending on the hardware limitations. So it's important to match it with the right platform if you want to get the full benefit. Overall, the XPG GAMMIX S70 Blade is a top-tier NVMe SSD that delivers exactly what it promises: extreme speed, strong thermal performance, and reliable storage. It's ideal for gamers who want faster load times, creators who need efficient workflows, and PC builders who want a future-ready storage solution. If you're looking for a serious performance upgrade that you will actually feel in everyday use, this SSD is absolutely one of the best options in its category.